Hello, this is a video about cars, so if you don't like cars, then this is how you close the video. I made a magnetic trickle charger mount for cars, and this kit is available on bigbadcult.com. We got two options, right? We had this option, first one where we had the outlet over here, and second option, outlet over here. And I was thinking, like, if outlet was over here, it's a little close to the ground, and what I worry about is splashes. But if it's here, it's much nicer because it's away from all right, that's perfect. Zip, 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 zip. Stab. Oopsie. The circle over here. Copy it over there. Give it some shape. Now I know it's starting to look like a toilet seat, but yeah, you know, it does look like a toilet seat. So this is the holder. MagCode goes in the holder. There we go. Got screws. This nut is for the holder to sit on the grate. This goes to the battery. And then we also have full of washers that go in the back. This is going to help clamp it onto the grate. Pop this open. X-Connect hooked up over here. And I think I need to do better at wire managing, so I'm thinking I need to bring a wire loom across from here all the way to here. Wire loom, ta-da, X-Connect, ta-da, Crimping, big hugging. Oh, It was a lot of work to get this wire in. But when you do, this is what it looks like. So we have the battery coming out of here. Matching piece. Uh-oh, did I get the right piece? Oh no! How did that happen? Oh no, wrong connector. No problem. Bring. There we go. Glad we know magic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find a way through. So perfect. Okay. Throw this through for now. Need to put those plugs on. Dude. There we go. This. So beautiful. A little close. Yeah, here's the spot then. Yeah, it's gonna look like that. Boom. Like my leg. And it goes. There we go. Oh. Tight. Alright. Beautiful. Got a MagCode charger. Dum. Coming in through here. Going under. Wire is attached here, here, here. The last part, we're gonna... Ooh! That's nasty. There we go. Ta-da! And the last thing we gotta do is the trickle charger side. So a wire goes through from the trickle charger under the screw bolts, and then we close it off with one screw, and it looks like this. Beauty, beauty, simplicity, and boop, 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 boop.